Hello YouTube, Sergi here. Can we cash out $1,000 this time? Let's see. Today I'll be reviewing an app called Maya Pusher Master. Here is kind of no minimum amount to withdraw, but it is saying reach 1,000 and get instant cash out. So I just reached 1,000 and click to cash out. So I have the message that please slot 3 times to approve order. And to get this slot machine, you need to collect several pieces at the bottom and then you spin. So during this exercise you'll be watching so many ads, believe me. So I did it 3 times. Now I have the message, please watch 10 ads to approve order. Let's do it. That's been pretty easy to watch 10 ads. Now the payment is in queue. It's in progress and there is a little problem. There are only 6,118 players in front of me waiting for their payments. So it is saying that it refreshes every minute. This screenshot was taken on June 20, 2023. And here is another one, which is saying there are 2,634 players in front of me. And this screenshot is taken on July 6, which is today. No luck this time, so I didn't cash out any money. As you remember, they were stating that I needed to get $1,000 in order to cash out instantly, and then they provided one more condition and then another one, and then I needed to wait for 6,000 players. Maya Pusher Master is a fake game.